In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix name conflict in Excel. Name conflicts can happen when Excel contains multiple defined names that are the same, or when a name is reused in a way that causes formulas to pick up the wrong reference. The good news is that you can locate and resolve the problem quickly by using Excel's Name Manager. First, press Ctrl plus F3 to open the Name Manager. This shortcut is the fastest way to reach the place where Excel stores all defined names. As you press the keys, watch for a window to appear on your screen. The Name Manager window lists the names that exist in your workbook. If you already know you have a name conflict, this window is where you can confirm what Excel thinks those names are and how they are set up. Next, once the Name Manager window is open, click the Name column header to sort the names alphabetically. Sorting makes it much easier to spot duplicates or similarly named entries. You should see the list rearrange in order based on the text in the name column. Take a moment to look at the top of the list and then scan down slowly. When you sort alphabetically, items that share the same starting letters come together, and exact duplicates stand out more clearly. After you sort, you will be able to see the names themselves in a clean, ordered list. This is the key step, because the Name Manager view tells you exactly which names Excel has stored, including any duplicates that could be causing your formulas to behave unexpectedly. Look closely at the entries in the name column. If there is more than one entry with the same name, that is a strong indicator of a conflict. Even if you do not immediately see duplicates, sorting still helps you review each name one by one, so you can confirm that there are no names that are pointing to the wrong range or object. At this point, you should pause and consider what you are trying to fix in your workbook. If your formulas are not working as expected, a name conflict can lead Excel to use the wrong defined name, which changes the result. By reviewing the names in the sorted list, you can identify which specific name or names are involved. This gives you a starting point for resolving the conflict, because you now have the exact names and their locations or definitions available right in the Name Manager. Now that you have the names visible and sorted, you are in the right position to proceed with resolving the issue. The important thing is that you can clearly see what Excel currently has defined. If there are duplicate names, you can compare them within the Name Manager. If the problem is that a name points to the wrong range, you can review the definition associated with the name. Either way, having the list organized alphabetically reduces confusion and saves time. Remember, pressing Ctrl plus F3 opens the Name Manager. Clicking the name header sorts everything, and then the names are displayed in an order that makes conflicts easier to spot. Take your time during the review. When you see the entries clearly, you can focus on the specific name that is causing the trouble and address it based on what you find. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.